Hello everybody, and welcome to another episode here of my unboxings. Very excited today because if you saw the video that I did, I think it was last week or the week before, I unboxed the new DJI Spark, and again here it is. So you can see it's still in one piece. That's for a good reason. I've been trying not to fly it at all. I did use it a couple of times, but the reason I haven't been flying it is because I did not purchase the Fly More option. So it does not come with the controller and the extra stuff. So I've flown it using gesture mode, which works okay. I've been using the control that comes with the app with the DJI Go 4. Yeah, they made a new app and everything in order for you to use the Spark. I was confused in the beginning. I thought that with the old app I could control it. So yeah, so here it is. So you can see I can fly with the app itself, so it has these controlly things, but the range on it is horrible. I was using it with the controller here. It's not that great, so I was very scared because if you guys already know, I lost DJI Phantom 3 a while ago, so I am really babying this guy. I am going on a trip at the end of the month. I am going to not going to another country, still in Australia, but I'm going to an island. Can you guys guess which one? Anyways, so yep, let's go back to the unboxing here. So I just got this guy. Haha. So this is the remote control for the DJI Spark. You can see nice packaging like always. I'm gonna use my handy nail. There we go. So I'm just gonna set this guy up. Let me make sure I'm focused on my box here. Alright, cool. Just put this to the side. Ooh, look at that, it slides. Put that, and then it just opens like so. Okay, so yeah, like always, DJI knows how to pack their things. Oh, that fresh new smell, so good. Alright, so as you can see, this is all that's on the box. This little book, little silica gel thing, and yeah, this is a nice box. I like it. Look at that. Kind of like origami. Looking nice, looking very nice. So you have the antennas right here, and okay, there you go. They just flip up like that. Then this is where you strap your phone. Looks like one of those Space Invader things, right? Kind of looks like a Space Invader. Anyway, so your phone's supposed to go in here. So it's pretty secure. It feels pretty secure. Yeah, it feels good actually on my hand. So, very nice ergonomic design. So there you go. This is my little camera rotator thing. So record, picture, home, on off, sports mode, pause. I wonder what that pause button is for. FN, not sure what that's for. So yeah, it feels great actually. Okay, so I have that. I also got propeller guards because I didn't have any. And I did have a small little crash in my apartment the other day. I was with the hand gesture the hand gestures inside my apartment, and you can guess what the rest. He kind of just took off. But he he didn't have nowhere to go, so he just hit a wall and fell. But he's fine. My insurance totally fine. So yeah, these are the propeller guards. Yeah, I got them just for that purpose only, to protect it every time I'm flying it. Alright, well, that was a little time consuming. But anyways, there you go, I got propeller guards now. Alright, cool. So, yeah, so this is it, guys. I will be giving this a test later at some point. So, you will be seeing some of that. Alright. Guys, also make sure to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, my website, losato.com. Where I have merchandise and other things. I just had stickers made, so if you're interested, guys, let me know. Just drop some of your info if you want some stickers. I'll be more than happy to send you some of my stickers. All right, cool, awesome, guys. Take care. I hope you enjoyed it. All right, see you. Bye.